Check out these chocolate balls, they are made in just 10 minutes. I pour 300 grams of ground biscuits into a bowl. I will also add 100 grams of powdered sugar. And stir. I will melt 100 grams of chocolate and 100 grams of butter. I add melted butter, melted chocolate, and 100 milliliters of chocolate milk. I'll stir. This is the mixture that always turns out good. No mistake. I put the mixture in the fridge for 30 minutes. The mixture has set and now I will make the balls. You can make them smaller or larger. Roll the balls in what you have at home. I'll have coconut and crushed biscuits. Write to me in the comments, from where are you looking at me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. We got a candy for every celebration. The balls are made quickly, simply, and without baking. And if you like the recipe, leave me a heart, comment, and like. Thank you, dear friends.